Hey everyone, you know me, I'm Praveen. I'm the JavaScript lover and currently working with React and Node.js. So there is a big problem that happened to every one of us who are trying to work out with React these days. The code sandbox is read only. Okay, if you don't know what is happening, check this out. And I have got this amazing single file React application to all these people who are struggling with it. Let's go to the video. So for those people who do not know, I have been using this React.New code sandbox to work with React applications. But nowadays, if you open app.js or anything and start typing it, it says editor is in read-only mode because the file system of the file is read-only. So unless and until you sign into this code sandbox, you would be able to edit this. So this is not ideal for someone who wants to quickly try something out, right? Okay, let's throw this off and remove this one from our kitty, and let's go to this simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript page where you can try running out React and stuff like that. Okay, so basically what do we need? We need one single root div. So we have a root div here. Nothing will be displayed in the right side in the browser because we have not created anything at this point. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to load the React and React DOM libraries, right? So this is the React production library from Cloudflare CDN. And then there is React DOM. React DOM is for the web. So we are loading this one as well. The next thing that we need to do is, even though you are loading React, you would be writing all these code in JSX. JSX needs to be transpiled. So we need the Babel transpiler. Even that we will get the Babel transpiler from the latest unpkg version of it. The next thing that we will be doing is we need to start with the script of React.js. So basically in React.js, we will be using the index.js file, which is there in the src folder. But unfortunately, it will be run by Node.js with the module loaders enabled, Babel transpilers enabled, which we cannot do it in the browser, right? So for that, what we will do is in the script tag, we are going to add text bar Babel as the type. This way, what happens is it is going to use the Babel as the transpiler for this one. Now, the moment you do type text bar Babel, on the screen, you can immediately see that you're using the in-browser Babel transformer. Please be sure to pre-compile your scripts for production. Why this comes is, this is the most inefficient way of writing React.js. But unfortunately, we have to do this because we just need to try out something very simple and quick. It's a quick and dirty thing that we are currently doing. Okay, let's go for the next one. So the next thing is, like, since we have got everything inside the page, you don't need to import React from React or import anything. Let's have a quick look at what is happening. So React variables should be available in the code, and we are going to check it using a console.log. So the first thing is I'm going to log what is React. We will be able to see that React is an object which has got a lot of children. So what about the use state? We will just take one simple example as a use state. And then if you see React.use state, yes, that is also a function that is also available. So what is next? The next step is to let's start with a functional component. Okay, so functional components are the most easy way of writing React.js code, right? So let's start with a simple functional component, which is like function app. And then inside that content, what I'm doing is I'm going to return something. That something is what? It needs to be any kind of like a, it should be null or undefined, or it should be a HTML. This is JSX. Now I'm writing a paragraph, and now you can see that there was a script error that is gone. Okay, now we have got to this point. Now we need to load this whole thing to the div ID root, like how it does in our most of the applications. So we need to render this component to the DOM. So what would we do? React DOM.render, you remember? So we will be using the React DOM.render, and inside that we are going to use the JSX again by using app. But where are we supposed to render it? So we will be rendering it to the root of it. On the right side, you could see that this is working. So basically here, you are able to see that you can create a working React application for demo purposes using a single file. This is easy for you to share something really quick, like a small React snippet or something like that. I hope this video is very much helpful for those people who are stuck with not having code sandbox doing this. There is also another way. You can also use StackBlitz. This is another way which you can use. So, but anyway, this is about the whole video today. I hope you are able to do something of your own. Please leave your messages in the comments. Get connected with me on LinkedIn, and please hit the like button and subscribe for this YouTube video. One more thing is, in case if you have any questions or if you want to work on React, if you want to know more about React, please feel free to talk to me. Connect with me on LinkedIn or WhatsApp or YouTube or any way which is comfortable to you, or Twitter as well. See you then in the next video. Bye.